Hi, my name's Keagan. This is my tech final project. I've created a master hotel. I've used many tools to create this. I used offset tool to create these windows right here. These ones. I created that, and I painted them translucent and blue, and I also used this red, and I used many other colors, including on the inside I used these oranges and some others, including that brown, that green, this red and black. Using the rotate tool, I created this M and rotated it onto my entrance. I used the measure tool to measure these doorways and make sure that they were tall enough, and 7 feet, that sounds like a good doorway, and 8 feet across, which is pretty good too. I also used the measure tool to measure how long these were. And this one is 250 feet long. I used the move tool to create these windows on here. First, I made one with this rectangle tool and then pulled it out. And then I used the move tool to make these by also using the dimensions box. Then I selected all of these windows and brought them down and used the dimensions box to make them in rows. I also used the move tool to set the tank on the parking lot. I used the dimensions box again to create these windows, and also I used the dimensions box to make this 250 feet wide by 150 feet wide, which I did by just typing in this bottom measurements box and typing in 250 by 150. So I also have lots of different shapes on here, including these squares in the windows, these rectangles, this cone, that rectangle down here, this walkway, the building, and others. There's many different pieces also, including these buildings, the towers, the cone, the walkway and the different parts, the parking lot, and the different parts inside of the building, including these down here, the spa sauna area that I created inside my hotel. It has a pool and 2 hot tubs in there, and those are different shapes and pieces. There's different textures too. I painted these pools using water, and I painted this ground using rocks, as you can see. I also painted the inside of the hotel with carpet, as you can see through the window. And right there, that's all carpet. And then there's also many colors. It looks good from most angles, as you can see. And this building too. There's some details on this too. I have, like I said before, I have this sauna in here and these windows. I also have this tank in a parking lot. And I have an aquarium in my activity building that has 2 fish in it. One is a goldfish, and one is a bass fish eating the goldfish, as you can see here. And this is my final tech project.